Hey kindergarten, today you're going to get one small black sheet of paper and you're going to get a handful of colored strips from Mr. Calvert. Not too many, I got probably more than what I need, but just a few. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our name on it, and I will probably come around and help you with this. So I put my name on it. I'm going to put a K, that's this letter, and that stands for kindergarten, so I know what class you're in. I'm going to flip that over. And today we are going to be making a sculpture. And we just talked about how sculptures are things that stand up and they have fronts and backs and sides and tops and bottoms. So right now, this strip of paper, it's not a sculpture. It's not 3D. It's flat. Okay? Look at how flat that is. But what we can do is we can give these pieces of paper something called feet. And those feet are going to help our pieces of paper stand up. Just like you and me, we need feet to stand too. So I'm going to take this strip of paper, I'm going to go all the way to the end. I'm going to give it a little fold like this, so you can kind of pinch it. Ouch! That strip of paper doesn't like when I pinch it. So there's one little foot right there. I'm going to go all the way to the other side. I'm going to give it another foot. Ouch! Now he's got 2 feet. Now notice that these feet, they're both going the same direction. This one's pointing this way. This one's pointing this way. We don't want them to look like this. Okay, if the feet are going opposite directions, then it's not going to work out very well. So make sure they are going the same direction. Next, we're going to take a glue bottle. We're going to put just a couple little dots of glue, not very much. We never put a huge, big puddle of glue because that just wastes a lot of our glue and it doesn't stick very well. You actually want to use just a little bit of glue. So I put glue on the bottom of both of the feet. And now I'm going to hold those feet down onto my black sheet of paper. So here's one that I'm going to hold down and then the other. And when we glue things in Mr. Calvert's class, we count to 10. So that way we know it sticks. But when we get to 9, we like to shake our booties too. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. I got one strip of paper on there. Look at that. It's standing up on its feet. I have a sculpture. But it's kind of a boring sculpture right now. There's only one on there. So I'm going to add 3 more strips of paper. So if I have one on here and I add 3 more to it, I'm going to put 4 strips on my paper when I'm all done. So I'm going to take another strip. Remember, I need to give it a foot. Ouch! Go all the way to the other side and give him another foot. Ouch! Now I've got 2 feet. Okay, these feet, maybe he likes to dance. He's doing a little dance. Maybe he's got stinky feet. You can try smelling your lion's feet. Give it a little bit of glue. Remember, just a couple little dots on the bottom of each foot. And I can glue it down. And you can glue that wherever you want on your black sheet of paper. All right, I'm gluing. Remember, we got to count to 10 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 2 strips of paper on my sculpture. I need to put 2 more. Remember, we want to have 4 when we're all done. So I'm taking my strip of paper, and the first thing I need to do is give it a couple feet. So here's 1. Ouch! Going all the way to the other side, making sure that foot goes the same direction. 2. Ouch! Give them a little bit of glue on the bottom of each foot. My glue is not working very well, guys. A little bit of glue. And watch what I'm going to do this time. I'm going to put 1 foot underneath like this. So I got 1 line going underneath the other. I got to count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look at that. I've got 3 lines on my sculpture right now. I got to do 1 more. We know the first thing I need to do is give it a foot. 1. Ouch. And a 2. Ouch. So he's got 2 feet, both going the same direction. Little bit of glue. Remember, we don't want to use a whole big puddle, just a few dots. You may have heard people say dot, dot, not a lot, because it doesn't take very much glue. And watch what I'm going to do this time. I'm going to put one foot on the black sheet of paper and put the other foot on top of one of these lines like this. Holy cannoli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at this. Whoa. Look at how cool that sculpture looks. When you're done, let Mr. Calvert know, and we're going to set these somewhere to dry. And then next time we're going to add some more lines to these, and I'll show you how to make some cool shapes as well. All right, please make sure that when you're done, you close your glue. So that means I'm going to take it, I'm going to twist it shut. Okay, if you're not sure if it's closed, let Mr. Calvert know, because we don't want to leave these open, because then it'll leak, or it's going to dry out and you won't be able to use your glue anymore. Okay, and Mr. Calvert will take the rest of your strips when you're finished. All right, when you're done, make sure to clean up, kindergarten.